Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to log in Verity Mortgage account. It is a very simple step. For that, firstly, make sure you open one preferred web browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. Now at the search bar, you need to search Verity Mortgage and press enter. Now various kind of website will be presented. Make sure to click the Verity Credit Union. Now you will be led to this kind of interface, and at the top right you can see login ID box. You need to simply enter your login ID over here. After that, all you need to do is click on this option. Now in case if you have forgotten your password or if you have forgotten your login details, then you can see here option forgot password or login recovery. You can click over there and they will be guiding you further to recover it. If not, then you can simply click on this option. And at the next page there you need to enter your password. After entering your password, you can simply click on next and you will be successfully logged into your Verity Mortgage account. Now in case if you haven't created yourself the Verity Mortgage account, you can click on new user option and they will be guiding you further to register for your Verity Mortgage account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.